It's hard to believe, but it's been just 2 years since AI chatbots entered our world. In such a short time, they've sparked a whirlwind of debates. Artificial intelligence, praised by so many, has also left us with more questions than answers. One question, though, seems to keep haunting us. Will AI take away our jobs? Honestly, we can't say for sure. But there's something even more alarming. AI might not just affect jobs, it could be taking something far more vital: our water. Yes, you heard that right. The very AI technology we use every day could be guzzling water at an alarming rate. In a world already struggling with water shortages, the heavy use of AI systems, especially chatbots, is causing our water consumption to soar. It's scary, isn't it? Think about it. To run these AI chatbots requires enormous energy, and they depend on GPUs, those high-powered chips used to process graphics and videos. But for AI systems like chatbots, thousands of GPUs are needed to keep them running. Now picture this. Massive data centers filled with these GPUs are operating day and night. The heat they generate is insane. And to cool them down, guess what they use? Water. Huge amounts of it. According to reports, tech companies are using water on a massive scale just to stop their servers from overheating. Isn't that wild? Just to give you an idea, for every kilowatt of energy produced, it takes 9 liters of water to cool things down. Can you imagine? If a single chatbot runs for an hour, 9 liters of water just vanish into thin air. So while we're not sure if AI will take our jobs, one thing is clear: AI is definitely draining our water. Subscribe to Knowledge with AI for more eye-opening content like this. Let's stay informed about the future.